Welcome to Ticklipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change keyboard layout on your Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. Now, at first, what you have to do is just go to your search bar. In here, type settings. Then in best matches, you'll find settings. Just click on open. Then settings will open. From here, on the left hand menu, you need to go to time and language. Just click on it. Then from here, you need to go inside language and region. Just go inside this. Now in here, as you can see, the only language I have under my language section is English. Now, to add another language and to change the keyboard layout of it, what we need to do is click on add a language here. Then you'll get a list of languages. Just search for the language which you want. I want German. So I'm just gonna select the German one. Click on next. From here, you can select what you want. I just want the language back and nothing else. So I'm just gonna uncheck everything else. Then just make sure language preference, this set my window display language is not checked here. Then just click on install. After that, just give it some time. It will download the language for you and then it will add it to your PC. Till then, what you can do is just go to your search bar. In here, type on-screen keyboard and just open up your on-screen keyboard. Now, as you can see, this is a US based keyboard layout. Now to change this, just click on here and from here just click on Germany. As you can see, the keyboard layout has been changed. Then you can just close all this. And basically that is how to change keyboard layout on Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.